Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alexei, and today what we're going to be doing is taking a look at Joe Ciccarelli's kick drum parallel compression trick. Joe Ciccarelli is an 11-time Grammy Award-winning producer, engineer, mixer, who has been working with such great musicians as Tori Amos, Beck, The Killers, U2, Elton John, The White Stripes, and many more. You can check out videos and courses of Joe Ciccarelli on Mix with the Masters. The link will be in the info box of this video. So, in our today's video, we're going to be taking a look at Joe Ciccarelli's kick drum parallel compression trick. And in this case, we're going to be using a distressor compressor, and in my case, I'm using T-Rex version of distressor compressor. And in this case, we're going to be using a ratio around 2:1. We're going to be using high-pass filter, input around 7, attack around 10, release around 1.5, and output around 5. So, first of all, let's have a listen to our kick without any parallel compression. Now, let's have a listen to our kick with parallel compression on. Now, let's have a listen to our kick in our drums mix without parallel compression. And now let's have a listen to our kick in our drums mix with parallel compression on. And finally, let's have a listen to our kick in our drums mix with and without parallel compression. So, by using this simple trick from Joe Ciccarelli, you can make your kick sound more powerful in any mix. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video, and I hope this video will be useful for you. Please don't forget to check out Joe Ciccarelli's videos and courses on Mix with the Masters. The link will be in the info box of this video, and see you next time.